segment prepare this model? Coming up.
All right now, men. Now listen up. I need some volunteers. Anybody want to volunteer? Rodriguez, how about you? Hey, I'd like to help you, Captain, but I have to reprimer the Jeep. Yeah, man, reprimer the Jeep. All right now, men. Discipline's getting pretty lax around here. Why, remember last week when I asked for volunteers to go weed out that marijuana patch, I goddamn near got stampeded. Speaking of them, where the hell are they? Get them on the horn. Chatterbucker Roger to Roger Barker Stowe. Chatterbucker Roger to Roger Barker Stowe. Can you read me? Over. Wow, man. Somebody's talking pretty bad about Roger. No, goddammit, this is the captain. Have you found that marijuana patch yet? Yeah, man. We found it. Have you stated any casualties? As a matter of fact, man, the whole platoon's wiped out. All right now, men, who wants to go help Company B?